Video 497, the MASKEEP functions are done. Within the data section for FILE896, we have these GPU vars and disk vars. This is the MASKEEP cache for the GPU. This is the MASKEEP cache for the disk memory. So if these bits used to create the mask are the same, then this cached value for our mask is still valid. If these bits used to create the mask are the same, then this mask for the disk memory is still valid. So down here in FILE896 functions, within FILE896 MASKEEP GPU, we have the bit selection for which bits we want to turn on. And then this is our output mask, the actual bit order, network bit order. And if the inputs are the same as what we have stored in our cache, then we're going to output the cached mask right here. Otherwise, we're going to loop through actual bit indexes backwards. The network bit order bit is the inverse of the actual bit order. If the network bit order bit is within the range of our input selection, then we have a set bit, otherwise we have an unset bit. We're going to shift to the left before tacking on our bit with the and we're going to keep on doing this for all 32 bits. Then we're going to cache that current mask before returning the bit mask. For MASKEEP disk, it's the exact same logic, except it's for the disk memory rather than the GPU memory. So we're going to start off with our mask, the actual bit, the network bit, and if we are using the same inputs as last time, we're going to use the cached version. Otherwise, we're going to loop through all 32 bits, and if we're in the network bit order bit range, we're going to have a set bit. Otherwise, we'll have an unset bit, and we'll shift and tack on the bit, cache our output, and return our output here. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation of this code, you can go to this playlist on the Ninja Coder channel. You are on the Advanced Kanji Coder channel. Source code is here. You can email me here. And if you just want technical demos, go here. Like and subscribe.